Well, good morning. We are flying together, Greg and I. He's in a drifter. We're going up to Orchid Beach on Fraser Island. We'll see how that goes. And if I have the time and the weather's good, we're going to go right to the top to Sandy Cape. So let's see how we go. Let's roll. Maryborough traffic, microlight 6340, taxis for the apron, Maryborough. Maryborough traffic, microlight 6340, enters, lines up, rolls, runway 35, straight out departure, Maryborough. Traffic, microlight 6340, airborne 35, be tracking out to Hervey Bay, climbing through 1000 for 1500, Hervey Bay, Maryborough traffic. Okay, so we're airborne, there's the runway behind me, we just got to track straight up to the north, takes about probably 3/4 of an hour, got a bit of a headwind this morning, so I'm showing 6 knots, 7 knots at the moment, so we'll have to monitor that as we go and try and optimise the best altitude for flying. Okay, we're at altitude there. Traffic, microlight 6340 is 2 miles to the south, 2000, tracking north to fly overhead the field to Fraser Island, Hervey Bay. Hervey Bay traffic, trike 6340 is overhead the field, 2000, tracking north, Hervey Bay traffic. 0413 microlight 6340 is just waiting 2 miles to the north of the field for you. Copy 12345. Yeah, copy, got you, Greg. Yeah, it's not too bad. There's little pockets, but over water it's good. Yeah, don't blame you. I'll just watching out for you. I haven't seen you yet. I'm just waiting to see you, and then I'll follow you.
Yeah, I did a turnaround back there when you asked me to slow down, and you're actually in front of me.
I actually don't think I asked you to slow down, but that's okay.
Oh, I thought you did.
Yeah, as you can tell right now, I've slowed it right down. Where are you now?
Right above the point. Is that Long Island you call it?
Oh, Big Woody, at the top of Big Woody there. I'm just underneath you then, eh? Yeah, at the moment, wait till you come back over land. Hey Greg, what's your airspeed?
Maintaining 44 knots.
Do you know what your headwind is? Yeah, copy, it's about the same down here actually. Yeah, roger that. Excellent. See how many you get.
I am really enjoying this.
I'm sorry to hear that. You got much nose wind on you?
Now maintaining 45 knots.
Yeah, I got no wind down at 900 feet, maintaining about 65, 70 knots.
How high do we need to be to get over to the other side?
Go right up to what's called Watumba Creek. You'll know when you see it, it's really nice.
Righto. But how hard are you when you cross over? Covering shoulders area, second spot.
I'd say we should be probably about 2.5 just to get over the bumps. I've seen a few whales, eh? Have you? Yeah, it's that time of the season when, yeah, that's what happens. You should be able to see Watumba Creek now. I can see it from here.
Not sure what I'm looking for. I can see a big sort of a bay area coming up.
That's the one. Can't miss it. Wow, fancy that. Yeah, just going around some whales, believe it or not.
Yeah, pretty awesome. Okay, I'm 5 miles out. Just coming up to the creek. I'll get you to overtake me soon and you can make the way in.
Yeah, I'm just quite a bit south at the moment. I'll just go around one more time on these whales. I had a calf breaching. I'm not sure if I got it on video, but I'm trying to. Yeah, righto. I'll be on 1267 as well then.
Orchid Beach, Drifter 0413. 3 miles out, southwest, inbound, 2000 feet, Orchid Beach.
04136340. Yeah, look to your left up to the north. Can you see the big sand blow at the top? Are you keen to go up there later? Roger. Orchid Beach traffic, microlight 6340 is 6 miles to the southwest at 1,400. Overhead Woottumba Creek, and we're tracking inward inbound for Orchid Beach traffic. Orchid Beach traffic, microlight 6340, joins left downwind 31 full stop, Orchid Beach. Yeah, 6340 0413, I have your visual on final. Orchid Beach traffic, trike 6340, turns base 31, full stop, Orchid Beach. And final. Orchid Beach traffic, trike 6340, short final, 31, full stop, Orchid Beach.